Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thank you for waiting for this video. Today, we have top 10 retro motorcycles for 2025. Below is a detailed breakdown for each of the top 10 classic modern motorcycles for 2025, covering their MSRP, engine, power, torque, transmission, seat height, weight, fuel capacity, and key features. 1. Moto Guzzi V9 Bobber SE. MSRP $10,990. Engine 850 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power 55 horsepower. Torque 62 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 30.7 inches. Weight 453 pounds. Fuel capacity 4.8 liters. Features: traction control, modern electronics, distinctive bobber design, upgraded suspension. Two. Triumph Bonneville T120. MSRP $12,000. Engine 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 80 horsepower at 6,550 RPM. Torque 77 pound-foot at 3,500 RPM. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.1 inches. Weight 505 pounds. Fuel capacity 14.5 liters. Features: ride-by-wire throttle, switchable traction control, LED lighting, cruise control, ABS, modern twin analog digital display. 3. Yamaha XSR 900. MSRP $9,999. Engine 889 cubic centimeters inline 3. Power 118 horsepower. Torque 64 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 32.3 inches. Weight 425 pounds. Fuel capacity 14 liters. Features: traction control, quick shifter, advanced electronics, retro modern design. 4. Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. MSRP $6,499. Engine 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower at 7,250 RPM. Torque 52 pound-foot at 5,250 RPM. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.1 inches. Weight 445 pounds. Fuel capacity 15 liters. Features: ABS, LED indicators, twin exhaust, modern fuel injection system, improved suspension for 2025, vintage design. 5. Ducati Scrambler Icon. MSRP $9,495. Engine 803 cubic centimeters L-twin. Power 73 horsepower. Torque 49 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.9 inches. Weight 410 pounds. Fuel capacity 13.5 liters. Features: customization options, excellent handling, ABS, iconic Scrambler styling. 6. Moto Guzzi V7 Special 850. MSRP $8,990. Engine 850 cubic centimeters transverse V-twin. Power 65 horsepower. Torque 59 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.1 inches. Weight 483 pounds. Fuel capacity 21 liters. Features: retro styling, traction control, ABS, modern safety features. 7. Kawasaki W800. MSRP $9,199. Engine 773 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower. Torque 48 pound-foot. Transmission 5-speed. Seat height 31.1 inches. Weight 497 pounds. Fuel capacity 15 liters. Features: classic retro design, modern performance, comfortable ride. (8) Honda CB1100 RS. MSRP $11,999. Engine 1,140 cubic centimeters inline 4. Power 88 horsepower at 7,500 RPM. Torque 66 pound-foot at 5,500 RPM. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.5 inches. Weight 502 pounds. Fuel capacity 14.5 liters. Features: dual disc brakes, LED headlamp, modern suspension, ABS, retro styling, fuel-injected engine. (9) Benelli Leoncino. MSRP $8,499. Engine 500 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower. Torque 31 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.9 inches. Weight 403 pounds. Fuel capacity 15 liters. Features: aggressive retro design, LED lighting, comfortable suspension, customizable options. (10) Kawasaki Z900 RS. MSRP $11,499. Engine 948 cubic centimeters inline 4. Power 111 horsepower at 8,500 RPM. Torque 73 pound-foot at 6,500 RPM. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.5 inches. Weight 474 pounds. Fuel capacity 17 liters. Features: LED lighting, traction control, ABS, retro-styled instrument cluster, high-performance suspension.